if you're wanting to remove this trim piece, whether it's for painting or whatever, it actually looks like it's pretty simple. You've got nuts there, you got one inside of there, one inside of there, two there, and one, two there. So there are just like plastic clips that kind of go across. There's another one. All right, the three on the outside on each side are 10 millimeter, and then for some reason they went 11 millimeter on the inside. That's what I'm talking about. All right, and then you see there's actually this, I didn't know those were separate pieces, I thought it was all one. So those little clips, they're best if you can actually squeeze that metal spring together, like with the pliers or something. However, some of them are really difficult to reach. And I'll be honest, I'm almost tempted to break some of them off because I don't think they're really that important to holding that on, but maybe they are. Anyway, so that piece comes off. Should just lift out of there and then take your bulbs out. Just disconnect that. So yeah, I wish I had done this when I painted the car originally. I did a really good job actually of masking, believe it or not. I mean, there wasn't any paint on that I know of, and I did a pretty good job of getting to the edges here. However, like you can see, buffing wise, it's hard to get right up against there. So now that this is off, I can at least clean all this out and probably sand and buff and get that edge perfect. So I'll do that. And of course, I have thought about possibly painting the car silver, because nobody seems to want to buy it, and I don't know if the black color is hurting for possibly several reasons. One, obviously it looks like an active duty police car. You know, there still are several local black Tauruses that are active, and maybe people don't want that. And number two, with the Texas sun, that black gets really hot inside. I mean, obviously the air conditioner works and cools it down, but you know, when you first get in, it's really hot. And then obviously just sitting in the sun, it gets so hot in there that things can get damaged that wouldn't normally be damaged. So just a thought. Let me know if you think that this car would be more popular if it was silver. So you can put the lights on separately, obviously, or just take the strip off if you needed to. As you see, I've put the lights back on, and not the strip yet, but the strip just snaps right into place, and then has the two nuts to hold it on in the middle.